And ultimately, this is important for you because your gear shouldn't get in the way of where you want to go or what you want to create. The less you have to think about, is my camera too heavy or am I going to be over those luggage limits? The more you can focus on the places you want to go, the people you're going to meet, and the things that you want to create. So as this gap between portability and power keeps shrinking, the more places we're going to be able to go and the more things we're going to be able to capture. All of that is going to make our world just a little bit smaller, and I think ultimately that's a good thing. A smaller world means we can see more of how each other lives, what we eat, the way we think, the things we do, the different natural wonders of our world. I think ultimately that helps us realize that we're not all that different. And I think once we realize that, a lot of things just end up getting better. We see each other as human beings rather than some distant foreign thing that we don't quite understand. We start to realize that we're all really just kind of the same, doing the same kind of stuff, just in different ways, adapted to different places on this planet. I think as our tech gets smaller and more connected so that you can live stream from your phone, you can take pictures and instantly upload those about things that are going on around you, I think tech can help facilitate this shrinking of the world and our better understanding of each other. At least that's my hope. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.